lengthen shelf life, and help our farmers. Very important. Then another important milestone this year is that we have been given money by the DBM to put up our cyclotron and PET CT scan facility. So they gave us 60 million for the initial construction, which will start next year. Now, specifically, I would like to thank one important person who helped us with this effort, the Balik scientist from the IAEA, Dr. Tam Pascual. Please stand up, Tam. Thank you, Tam. Because of his efforts, we have credibility when we were telling the people that we needed to lower the cost of cancer diagnosis. 70,000 people, Filipinos, die of cancer, and the golden standard for cancer diagnosis, which are PET CT scans, are very expensive. More than $1,000. 60,000 ang pinakamura nandiyan sa NKTI. If our plan works, and we have been to thank the IAEA for this, they sent us experts to do this, and they are convinced it will work. We'll put up a cyclotron plus 4 PET CT scans. We will lower the cost of cancer diagnosis from 60,000 to maybe 20,000 to 25,000. So that will happen hopefully in the next 2 years. That would have made a very significant aspect, because right now only the rich can afford cancer diagnosis. And here is really nuclear impacting the people. And the third memorable thing that I mentioned for nuclear this year is that this year we launched nationwide our PGP Carrageenan product. Not nationwide, it's already in the market, invented by Dr. Arcilla and her colleagues. It's been patented, it's being sold. The cost of 1 liter is at 200 pesos, 250 pesos available. That PGP Carrageenan plant growth promoter is not only effective for rice, but also they're finding effective even bananas and many other plants. This will really impact our agriculture. Here is nuclear science technology invented here, right here at PNRI, patented. And so, those are just, we have also many other things. That's why I'd like you to go around. I cannot mention everything. But I forgot one thing. I'll be going ahead myself. Tomorrow is the awarding of the National Academy of Science and Technology for the publications. And guess what? The institute that has the most number of publications is again PNRI. So I think it's the third time in a row. And I'm almost sure that we will probably get it again next year, because 2 years ago we had, or was it last year? Oh, sorry, I see. I'm getting old now. Last year we had the first nuclear science conference, and the papers collated from there have been accepted into the Philippine Journal of Science, which will be printed this year. There are at least about 17 papers from there. So it's just one. And Philippine Journal of Science is an ISI journal right now. So that plus the rest, I'm almost sure that we'll get it again next year. So thank you, PNRI scientists, for this. And then next year we will have another nuclear conference. There's no nuclear energy paper on those yet. Okay. Then the last thing that I can tell you is this. Last month, the IAEA turned over to the Philippines its final in-year Phase 1 report, Integrated Nuclear Infrastructure Review. And that means that we already know the status of the Philippines vis-a-vis the 19 milestones that the IAEA requires for countries that are going nuclear. After that in-year report, representatives from the DOE and the PNRI went to Vienna to discuss the concrete steps that will be taken to implement the in-year mission. What is needed for the nuclear program to happen? Nuclear power. What is needed to start the ball rolling is the signature of President Rodrigo Duterte on the executive order that is on his desk. It's been there for almost 2 years now. So let's ask Our Lady maybe that for some miracle, mapirmahan ng ligong yan. Because when he signs that document, what will happen? The nephew is formed, many things will be, maybe our bill, which was hijacked in the second reading in the Senate, will finally push through. So again, many things are looking up. This year, I'm saddened because many of our senior staff retired. Decades of experience have gone up. So I'm telling the young guys, better study. We have many things to catch up with. And if we have the nuclear power program, even more so.